what was the thought behind the Elasto range? When we developed the Elasto range, the Elastoproof range, as we know it was simply to enhance the quality of our systems. It was to be able to be 100% certain that the most critical areas were protected. So in the old day, we used to have membranes that were reinforced with fiberglass and fibres and cloths. And the reality was you were using an elastomeric liquid membrane and putting a fibre in there, and what did that do? It actually made the material rigid. So all the elastomeric properties were lost. So we went to the Elastoproof range to develop that because it had elastic recovery. It was rupture resistant, waterproof, very simple, and we didn't have to rely on a sealant bead or bogging up a joint or just crossing your fingers and hoping that the area was waterproof. So that was a critical function for us. From there we developed the waterproof collars, which were elastomeric and rupture proof again, that would give you long-term rupture proof resistance, and they're waterproof, and they've been a huge thing for us on the mixers, as you've seen before. And we've got the prefabricated corners that we had to make life easy in those circumstances. And we've been able to use that range throughout all of our applications, from underground, immersed areas like tanks and fish ponds, right through to planter boxes, garden beds and roof areas, as well as bathrooms and wet areas. And then we've had our Elastoproof range that we've extended with expansion joints, our XP and our XPX range. And so, yeah, look, the Elastoproof development was just a typical part of Gripset's DNA, where we're always looking to continuously improve and make things better. And that's now, since 2004, has been a huge part of our range. Been successful not just in projects in Australia, but all our export market where we've sold it. And our new developments will continue to go along that path and improve the end net result for the client, but also for our applicators, that they can do jobs easier, sleep well at night, know it's all sealed and waterproof and backed up by a guarantee.
When you noticed that gap in the market to be able to want to develop a product like Elastoproof, what was it that triggered? Was there something that triggered to go, we really need more than just what has been the standard as such?
Well, yeah, you look at where, I mean, the reality is there's failures. And so you look at why are there failures, where are they, what circumstances, are they applicator related, are they design related, are they functional? And so once you analyse that, then, you know, I mean, our lab and all our people involved in the technical department, they get up in the morning to come here and really get excited about how we can improve the industry. It might sound corny, but that's really what Gripset's about. So innovation and doing things differently is the key for us. So yeah, basically we start from there. We don't just develop an idea for the hell of it. It's got to be helpful for the client. It's got to improve what we're doing. You know, we're not going to go and reinvent the wheel. If we've got a system, we're always looking at continuously improving, but we're not just going to do something for the hell of it. It needs to be a benefit, either a cost benefit, a time benefit, or a longer term life benefit. And once we've looked at that and we increase that, then that's part of the project and our long-term aim in everything we do with Gripset. And so the brand's been built upon those principles, and it will continue to go that way while I'm here.